see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I'm going to sit there and show you just how easy it is to make your very own Kool Aid Sherbet. And it's just in time for this tremendous heat wave that we're all under. So, grab a hold of that vine and swing onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Hey there, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen because this weekend, the weekend of Father's Day, in my state, the heat indexes are going to be 100 plus. So I thought this recipe was called for because we're all going to be needing something to cool off with. And I'm going to sit there and be the one to bring it to my family. And I'm going to sit there and show you how you can bring it to yours. We're going to go ahead and we're going to make ourselves some Kool Aid Sherbet. Say what? You heard me. I said Kool Aid Sherbet. This goes all the way back to my childhood too. And I've had many of different flavors, but today we're just gonna do it simple because I also have a recipe that calls for some sherbet, and well, I'm just gonna go ahead. So what you're gonna be needing is 1 cup of sugar. So go ahead, add all your sugar into 3 cups of cold milk. And then you're going to need 1 package of unsweetened Kool-Aid. And really, folks, that's it. That's how easy it is. Go ahead, open up your package of Kool-Aid. Let's go ahead and add that. I'm going to grab my whisk, and I'll be right back. Okay, I have my whisk. Now, we're going to sit there and stir this all up, and you're going to want to sit there and stir it really well. Now, keep stirring until all the sugar gets dissolved. So, we'll be back as soon as all that sugar in the bottom of the milk here gets all dissolved. Okay, now we're going to sit there and put this in the freezer. We're going to allow it to semi-freeze. Then I'm going to sit there and bring it out, and I'm going to sit there and give it a little bit more of a stirring or a whip. And then we're going to sit there, put it back into the freezer, and then we're going to allow this to freeze all up until firm. And here's the Kool Aid Sherbet. Now, before we serve it, you want to let this sit on your counter for at least 20 minutes and then dish it up to serve it. And that's how easy it was to make Kool Aid Sherbet. So, if you like what you saw here today, please go down below, give me a big old thumbs up. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. If you're not yet a subscriber, go up, tap the subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings, and y'all come back now. You hear? Now I got some sherbet here that I'm just waiting to devour into. So I'm gonna sit there and take off and see you on the next video.